Looks pretty good. Alright, well, we got, here's our return here off our unit. We got everything mastic and everything. I had to show this here. I'm going down the line, as you can see, putting in mastic on each one of the seams if it needs it. And look what we come up on. Let me get my light so we can get a good shot of this here, because somebody thought they was doing something. Look at this. But that's not the kicker. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Aluminum foil. Layer after layer after layer after layer of aluminum foil. Ah, there's our duckboard. Ah. Somebody was getting ready to bake a cake. Oh, can you see hack job? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix this. And get the right tape on it and get it stapled with a new duckboard on it and get it mastic. So but man, I just had to get some footage on that one. I've never seen aluminum foil on duct board, but there you go. We're gonna peel this duct tape off and get the aluminum foil off and get it fixed. Alright guys. Guys, we got a new piece of duct board on top, and we got it stapled, taped, and masticed. So that's done there, and we've got it masticed on the seams all the way down the line. I don't know if you guys can see where we're at now. This copper line here. This is the old stuff that was hooked up, and out of our condenser we're 7/8, and out of our evaporator here we are actually 3/4. So what I did was I went ahead and ran 7/8, which I could have ran 3/4, but I try and always oversize that if I can, if the length is not too far. Now if the length is further than I think 50, I think it's 50 foot or maybe 70 foot, if it's more than 50 foot, then I will not oversize this line, because what will end up happening is the oil, there's not enough velocity to carry the oil that distance. So you want to be careful about oversizing the line more than the size that's coming out of the evaporator if you have a really long line set. So on this particular, we've probably got about 30 foot. All right. Lines are together. Okay. The lines are together here. Just basically a piece of 3/4 into the 3/4 inch coming out of the evaporator, and then we've got 7/8 slid over it. Pretty good ways here, so we know we've got plenty. 3/8 goes right in. Let's get it brazed up. So we got our line, got some nitrogen in both our lines, and I've got the nitrogen now turned off so there's no pressure on the system. And I've got the Schrader cores out of the unit, so if there is any buildup of pressure while we're brazing, it won't make any pinholes while we're in our connection here pushing out. So I'll usually start with my bottom. Work my way around. I usually like to get it really good on the areas I can't see. Those usually tend to be the areas where I don't put enough, so. pressure is getting low in my tank. I'm going to try and rush this one. All right. Looks good.